Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well wherever you happen to be in the world right now. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions that you may have, please feel free to leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I'm going to be talking about Chainlink today and the recently announced partnership they've made with a subsidiary of a massive German accountancy firm called PCW. Before I get to the article and look at the charts, I'll go through the broader cryptocurrency market just to see how things are looking. It's not the best day in the market. We're down nearly 3% across the entire crypto market. So we've got a market up of $1.13 trillion. Trading volume is up from yesterday. It's at $44.6 billion. Bitcoin dominance is at 46%. Bitcoin itself is trading at $26,800, so nearly $27,000. Across the top 10, XRP is still the biggest mover, up 25% on the week. Cardano's up slightly, but it looks fairly flat, and some of the gains that have been made of late are being given back. But it's 3% is nothing in crypto. Solana slipped out the top 10. BUSD has gone back in. Solana's actually lost 10% over the last week, but we're not here to talk about that. Let's go to Chainlink, see what's going on there. So Chainlink's down 5.31% against the US dollar, currently trading at $6.82. It's down 1.55% against Bitcoin. Market cap of $3.5 billion, 24-hour trading volume of $247 million, and the circulating supply is 517 million Chainlink, which is 52% of the total supply, which can reach 1 billion. Right, so should I gauge the sentiment, see what the comments people are saying? Are people losing faith in it? Predominantly bullish, just scrolling through it very quickly. I'm not going to read what people are saying. But people do seem to be fairly bullish, and the more I look into this project, the more bullish I go in it. I'll go to the Chainlink chart first, just to see how things are looking. I'll just look at it on the daily. We've got a little trend line that was in play just here. We were like a little trend line to the upside, but we've broken through it, and it looks like we're going to pull back potentially to the $5.38 region. Should it reach that region or go slightly below it, we will have some bullish divergence in play, which is where I will consider buying some more Chainlink. I'll call it a link, it's easier, isn't it? So we've got a divergence from this low to this low here, which did play out slightly, brought us up to here, and so this would essentially be a double divergence because the MACD and signal line aren't going to reach this level by the time the price comes down to that $5.38. So there could be a potential entry there. Price has slipped below the daily 50 and it's pushing through the daily 100, although the daily 100 is acting as support at the moment, so it's one to be kept an eye on. It's been trapped in between $9.23 and $5.38 for God knows how long now. It's a few weeks, and I know a number of people got into this project when it was up at around $50, and they've been sitting underwater for quite some time now. So it would be nice to see some sort of move to the upside. Moving out to the weekly, just see if there's any clues there. Yeah, I know people that bought in around here, and I've got friends of mine that bought in probably exactly at all-time highs a couple of years ago, and they're messaging me, what's going on, what shall I do? And I'm like, well, you've not lost until you sold, have you? So my personal, well, you can see this bullish divergence. Let me just check that. Yeah, all the way across this MACD and signal line is continually pushing to the upside, with the momentum going positive on the histogram. Plus it looks like we're about to push through the weekly 50, so things aren't looking as bad as first thought, but I would be interested in a pullback to that region I was talking about earlier, around the $5.38 region. Before I get to the article, this was something you're probably aware of it. Someone or a number of whales have bought up $18 million worth of Link recently, this month. So potentially it could be the same person, it could be a number of people, but maybe someone knows something behind the scenes that is going on. Just wanted to bring that to your attention, although you probably already heard about it. I'll go to the article. So Chainlink have partnered with PwC. I've checked their website, and they're a massive firm in Germany. an accounting firm. They're getting involved with a subsidiary of them. And you can see they're getting involved in supply chain and sustainability, which is something that's Chainlink is able to facilitate. So I'll go through the article and then, I don't know, give you my thoughts about it afterwards. So Chainlink and PwC Germany enters a strategic partnership to boost enterprise and blockchain adoption. Chainlink and PwC Germany have entered a strategic partnership to promote blockchain adaptation. So I've just repeated what they said initially. The partnership is tailored to support non-native firms looking to embrace blockchain solutions. Prominent blockchain-based Oracle service provider Chainlink has entered into a strategic partnership with the German subsidiary of Big Four accounting firm PwC. According to the press release shared by the protocol, the partnership will be tailored towards the development and advancement of enterprise blockchain integration. Per the partnership details, Chainlink will work directly with companies associated with PwC Germany who is interested in embracing blockchain technology but without the expertise required. This expertise is classified into the development of smart contracts and enterprise node operation. As a mutually beneficial relationship, PwC will contribute its technical expertise as well as its understanding of the regulatory environment to bolster the whole initiative. The PwC Germany contribution will serve as a ledger to help firms develop smart contracts with compliance as the underlying basis. Dimitri Gross, Technology Interest Group Lead for Digital Assets and Crypto at PwC Germany said, "We're pleased to enter into a strategic partnership with Chainlink Labs as integration and development partner to help accelerate the enterprise adoption of blockchain technology. PwC Germany and Chainlink Labs aim to help accelerate an enterprise adoption of blockchain technology in key enterprise sectors such as capital markets, ushering in a new era of transactional security, transparency and efficiency. We are excited to empower businesses with the knowledge, integrations and solutions they need to seamlessly and securely interface with the growing blockchain economy. The entire partnership will afford companies to leverage the technological expertise of both Chainlink and PwC Germany to develop bespoke blockchain solutions using the decentralized Oracle middleware as a lever. Partnerships such as this have been tagged as one of the key models in which Chainlink hopes to drive the mainstream adoption of its technology by extension, blockchain. Expanding the PwC chain and Chainlink influence. The partnership between both firms will serve as an opportunity to bolster their reach in the emerging blockchain ecosystem. While PwC is known for investments and in-house blockchain solutions prior to this time, Chainlink is an Oracle pioneer whose offerings are still largely unrivaled in the crypto ecosystem today. Chainlink will use the move to deepen its reach in Germany and across all of Europe. We are excited to support PwC Germany through this strategic collaboration, which will help enterprises securely connect their existing systems to all major blockchain networks, stated William Herkelrath, Managing Director of Business Development for Chainlink Labs. By interacting with the blockchain economy through Chainlink, enterprises can begin realizing the transformative power of smart contracts and blockchain oracles. While the Chainlink solution has been battle tested with many blockchain-based protocols, its easy adoption will now be felt by non-crypto native entities today. This current partnership will bolster more than 12 integrations it has recorded thus far this year. I'll link the article down below so you can go through it in your own time. But my thoughts on partnerships and news coming out like this during a bear market only bodes well for the future of a project. Because when it does come, when the bull market does eventually come, these projects out there like Chainlink that are building a partnership and do have a fantastic team behind them, like they've got someone that was really high up at Google that left Google to go and work for Chainlink. They've got a solid team behind them and they're forming solid partnerships with real world businesses. Then these are the sort of projects that are going to actually, in my opinion, not financial advice, are going to actually fly when the next bull market does come around. Personally, I don't believe it's going to be this year. I believe this is a decent year for accumulation. Again, not financial advice. Chainlink's something I've only got a very small amount, but at these levels and the potential it's got, I'm going to be DCAing in over the coming weeks, months, until next year, because I don't believe we're going to see the proper bull run until the Bitcoin halving in 2024. So yeah, my conclusion is that's all good news. I'd like to see if this daily 100 will act to support, if it will react to it. If not, I could see us heading down to this $5.38 region, at which point I will be buying in heavily. So that's it for now. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like, help me get out to a wider audience. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. I wish you all a wonderful afternoon, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.